everyone, it's Eri and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share something really fun that we joined here in Ansan, a resin art class organized by the Ansan Damonwa Center. So one day I saw a post about a resin art class from the Damonwa Center here in Ansan. I told my friend Maria that I really wanted to try it and we decided to register right away. But sadly, when we checked again, the class registration was already full. We were so disappointed because we were really excited to try something creative. But luckily, after a few days, the class opened again. Some participants canceled their registration, so we quickly signed up. It was limited only to 8 people, so we were really happy that we made it this time. Since our class was scheduled to start at 1 p.m., we decided to eat lunch first. We found a restaurant nearby and ordered tonkatsu. Yes, and the serving was huge. The taste was pretty good, nothing too fancy, but perfect for a quick meal before class. By the way, the Damonwa Center offers a lot of different classes, especially for foreign wives living in Korea. I think it's such a great idea because it helps us learn new things, make friends, and experience Korean culture in a fun way. They don't only have classes for adults, they also organize activities for kids and families, so everyone can join. After lunch, we headed straight to the place where the class was held. It was actually on the 3rd floor of Emart-Ansan. When we arrived, the staff were so kind and friendly. They greeted us warmly and told us to sit anywhere we wanted. We decided to sit right in front so we could hear and understand the instructions clearly. There was one main teacher who led the class and another Damonwa teacher who helped us with translation and guidance since some of us weren't fluent in Korean, and that really helped a lot. The teacher started distributing the materials. We got an alcohol pad, a saucer mold, a wooden stick, and the resin. Then she asked everyone to come to the front and choose our glitters and decorations.
검은 색깔 구성이 레진입니다. 그걸 발라서 나무꽃이 그렸죠. 나무꽃이. 그걸로 이렇게 살살살살 펴서 발라준 다음에 디자인 하신 대로 붙일 거예요. 이게 가시나요? 디자인한 걸 붙이고 이게 이제 꾸미는 거예요. 그 다음은 램프에 이렇게 넣을 거예요. 거기 램프에 넣어서 60초라고 써있는 거를 3번 눌러주셔야 돼요. 처음에 3번이 아니라 한 번 누르고 끝나면 다시 누르고 끝나고 다시 끝나고 눌러야 돼요. 그래서 총 3분. 60초를 아니고 한 번 누르고 끝나면 다시 누르고 또 다시 누르고 3분을 부어주시고 얘가 이제 살살하셔야 되니까 마감으로 한 번 더 레진에 발라준 다음에 그리고 다시 또 3분을 부을 거예요. 그럼 오늘 끝나요. 근데 중요한 점은 저희가 이렇게 쓸 게 아니고 이렇게 사용해야 되잖아요. 그래서 스티커를 쓰실 때 뒤집어서 붙여야 돼요. 우리가 이렇게 뒤집어 놓은 상태에서 작업을 할 거니까 스티커가 앞면이 아니라
There were so many cute things to choose from. Sparkles, flowers, beads, seashells. I was so excited. Since I love blue, I decided to make an ocean-themed saucer. And Maria picked flowers and green glitters, and it totally matches her vibe. mixed the resin, poured it into the saucer, and decorated it with the things we chose. We decided that we'll give our finished saucers as a gift for our mothers-in-law. After some time, our saucers were finally ready. They look so pretty and shiny, but to be honest, sometimes it was a bit hard to understand because the teacher spoke fast in Korean. Thankfully, the Damonwa teacher explained things clearly so we could easily follow along. Ta-da! Here's the final result. Isn't it beautiful? I'm really happy with how it turned out. Simple but elegant. And for Maria, it turned out really cute too, and I love it. We were both so proud of what we made. So for all foreigners living in Korea, I really recommend joining activities like this from the Damonwa Center. You'll not only learn something new but also meet new friends and enjoy the local community. We really enjoyed the class and we're super satisfied with our resin art results. We can't wait to try other programs and classes soon. Thank you for joining us today and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you on our next vlog. Bye-bye!